Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of barely. It's not enough, it's almost impossible. For example, she nodded, barely able to speak. The second definition of barely. It is simple and straightforward. For example, their barely furnished house. American pronunciation. Barely. Barely. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Barely. Say. Barely. Barely means only just. Barely. Barely. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. He could barely sit through Coach Quinn's speech in the boys' locker room. Now, repeat after me. He could barely sit through Coach Quinn's speech in the boys' locker room. The second practice. She nodded her head, barely able to keep the silly grin from her face. Now, repeat after me. She nodded her head, barely able to keep the silly grin from her face.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.